Today we are doing the GLM Purple Editing book for 2NA, Practice 7, page 51. Please attempt the questions before you look at this lesson demonstration. The first and the last lines are correct. I'm going to indicate that with ticks. Next, we need to identify the dominant tense. What happened? Asked my grandfather. So you look at the first line, which is correct, and you identify the tense. So ask tells you that the dominant tense is simple past. I'll just write it down here. Next, I could only sit and stare. I could only feel sorry for myself. I could not felt anymore when faced with the pain I had inflicted. So you notice that there are models here. The model is could. So could sit. Okay, base form, stare. Base form, could feel. Base form, could felt. That is not in base form. So circle that error there. Okay, and write the base form of felt is feel, F-E-E-L. Okay, base form. Okay, next. I could not feel anymore when faced with the pain that I have inflicted. So this face is not in simple past, and we say that the dominant tense of this text is simple past. So what is the simple past tense of face? Is faced with a D. Okay, so I'll put that past tense. Okay, never mind. Let's continue. I was a small boy then, a little boy who thought only I, whose world. Okay, when we talk about I, that sounds wrong. Okay, it should be a reflexive pronoun. Okay, so it should be a reflexive pronoun. What's the reflexive pronoun of I? It is thought about myself. Okay, so this is going to be reflexive pronoun. Okay, let's try it. Okay, never mind. Moving on. Whose world revolved about myself and my own want and my own gratification. So, revolved means centered. Okay, my own want and my own gratification. Gratification means pleasure. Okay, so we are looking at the nouns here. So want in this case, is it a verb? When you actually put it as singular form, it should be in a noun. Okay, referring to needs, my own needs. Okay, so that should be needs, N-E-E-D-S, plural form. Okay, continue. How was school? Mine beloved grandson. So this is wrong. It should be determinant. Mine is a pronoun and cannot be used as a determinant. So it's referring to the grandson. So it should be my beloved grandson. Okay, so it is a determinant. Right. Grandfather had the twinkle in his eyes that I could never understand. It seemed. Why is it grandfather had the twinkle in his eyes? It was never mentioned before. It is the first time that the twinkle, okay, which means sparkle, in his eyes was mentioned. So it's the first time mentioned. It should be a. Okay, the article should be a. Next. It seemed that he understood what was on my mind, as if he could see his younger self. Could see model, so that's correct. What was on my mind, correct. Okay, I noticed that this is in simple past, no, simple present, and the dominant tense of this text is simple past. Therefore, what is the past tense of understand? It is understood. Understood. Okay, so I'll put that past tense. Okay. No one understood me better than he. Oh, look, there is actually a clue word here. Okay, there's a clue word here, understood. So yeah, you can copy the correct spelling. Okay, me better than he. That is uh, okay. Uh, he would not lecture me like the okay. Wait, no one understood me better than he. Okay, I am curious. This should be. No one understood me better than him. But I also spot another error here, which is as if he could see his younger self in me. So is this an error? Okay, in the text itself. Maybe sometimes um, they do it wrongly. There can two are errors. So I'll write what is the dominant error here, which is in. Okay, the preposition. Could see himself in me, preposition. Okay. He will not lecture me like the other adults in my life did. Okay, so this is actually correct. Instead, he would tell me stories about his younger days of his mistake. So I noticed that there is a modal root here. After a modal, it should be in base form. So that would be tell. That should be in base form. Okay, of his mistakes, his triumphs, and how learn about making good decisions. So it should be learning how about making good decision was a process in my lesson life stuff. Okay, so it should be learning, which is the continuous tense because um, it indicates an action that is in progress. All right. Okay. Now, did you see a picture of the grandfather sitting beside could be his grandchild? Okay. Today's question is, how's your relationship with your um, grandparents? What do you usually do together? Are you close to them? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, practice one editing practice every single day.